Good morning. We are back at it on the coupe. Roof is dry, looks like crap, but I don't care. It's drizzling outside, the storm ended up moving away, so we're in the garage and it's a good day. Today, I'm gonna try to tackle building a headliner to fit around the Polo 6N OpenAir roof. Went to the storage unit this morning and got the headliner trim. Basically just a channel, well, two channels. One goes into the unit and then the headliner slips in here. For the headliner, got a nice non-sunroof Jetta coupe headliner. I'm gonna take out the visors and mirror and try to mock it up in the hole and make some marks as to where to do a preliminary cut. Got the front half of the headliner in place, just put a couple of those guys in there to hold it in place. Next step is going to be to mark out all the edges of this and then pull it back out and do the same for the rear. Rear headliner test fitted up, all the trim into the window seals. Had to bend up those tabs of hair. Now time to mark it. I'm a bit of an idiot. I was not thinking in terms of negative space, apparently, because I needed to measure in further, way further. So, I'm gonna have to do the ends properly, and then trim the pieces that I cut out and tape them in and then fiberglass it all together. Getting a little bit closer to fixing up my little fuck up. Getting the edges trimmed roughly how they're gonna be. And then my next step is going to be to put the roof back in. Alright, you got the roof just laid in for now to mock things up. Got the rear headliner up in there. Gonna have to trim a little bit more around the back side where I did a more proper cut. I was being a little bit conservative after I cut too much out with the rest of it. So I'm just gonna have to take some of the headliner material that I cut out, cut a strip to fit in there, and that'll be good. Front headliner, however, this section right behind the visor area is a bit too tall. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna cut this whole section out that's raised, and I'll have to make it custom somehow. There's kinda sort of a headliner in here. So now, this part has a little bit of flex to it. It can come down. Thinking up in here, I cut it right on here. And right here. And then we're gonna go across, do that on that side as well. It's coming together slowly but surely. So now I gotta make some measurements for the sides and then little slivers for the front, and then cut the rear out a little bit more, and we're in business. Kinda sorta got a super dirty headliner in here with the trim now. Made some little patch pieces to correct my mistakes, and it actually fits in here pretty darn nicely so far. Gotta still do the front edge. I made some little filler pieces that we'll have to get trimmed some more to fit in there nicely for when I eventually fiberglass it, and I made one for that side as well. But holy crap, look at that. That's why I put this off for 5 years. It's a pain in the ass. Got a whole lot of work done yesterday on the OpenAir Coupe with getting the headliner together and whatnot. Afterwards, I set my sights on cleaning up the 4-door. So we washed it, waxed it, polished the wheels, and now I am on my way to Fredericksburg, Virginia to meet up with my buddies Gary and Kawa and their car crew New Concepts. And we're gonna go on a cruise today and have a little barbecue.